Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi everyone. My name is IKMAL bin Abdul Rahim, representative from Group 2. First of all, I would like to introduce everyone to my group, which is Group 2. The name of our group is Kaizen, which consists of 4 people, which is Eliana, KJ, Zai, and me, Ikmal. For our subject ENG3202, we are required to do a project, which is that we need to develop a program to assist the session booking of a clinic using C++. Without further ado, let me show you how we code our program to assist the booking session. In our program, we use a total of 10 functions to assist in our coding. And I will explain briefly how this function works. The first function, which is the display function. This function will display 6 options, and the users are required to choose one of these. And to successfully allow this to work, a switch statement are used. There will be 6 cases, and in each case, there will be a function. If the users enter a value other than what is required, the program will display out invalid option. And users are needed to enter the correct value. And the second function is check if registered. This function is used to check whether the users have registered or not. If the users are not registered yet, the program will ask the users to do so. Moving on to the third function, which is the register user. As its name suggests, this function will ask the users to enter information such as the user's name, address, phone number, email, and the patient name. After the users are done, the program will keep the information in one separate file. The fourth function, which is the book session, users are required to choose the session that they want based on what the date is, the time, and depends on the doctor's availability. The fifth function, the session book function. In our program, we limit so that each session can be booked by 7% or less per doctor. If more person want to book the said session, the program will print out session is full. Please choose another session. And the next function, which is the cancel booking function. This function allows the users to cancel the user's book session. And the next function, original schedule function, which will show the original schedule for the user's booking purpose. The egg function, which is the display available session. The users can see the session that are booked and also the session that are not booked. The last function, which is the calculate income. This function is only accessible for the administrator, and it will calculate the doctor's total weekly income. Moving on, I will show you how the program works. Firstly, when the user runs the program, it will show the interface of the program, which consists of 2 functions, which is the display menu function and the original schedule function. Looking at the menu function, there are 6 available options for the users to choose. But before anything, the users are required to register first. Before that, let's look at the first option, which is display the available session. This option will show you the available slots, and it can help the user to choose what session they want, as it shows the available slots and the unavailable slots. The users are required to register first by filling up the user's name, address, phone number, email, and the patient name. Then, the program will then display user registered successfully, meaning that the user can proceed to the booking process. To book the session, you just need to fill the phone number that you have put in the registered process and choose the day and the time of the session the users want. the users need to enter the number ranging from 0 to 5, where 0 representing Monday, 1 representing Tuesday, 2 representing Wednesday, and so on. Same applies to the date, where 0 representing morning and 1 representing the afternoon. After that, the user will automatically assign to a doctor based on the doctor's availability, which is the day and the date chosen. In this case, the date chosen is Monday morning, since the only available doctor on that time is Dr. Shiran Kaur. The doctor will be the one to be in charge of the session. Now, let's take a look at the available session again. As you can see, the available slot on Monday morning have been reduced by 1, which is then if the user want to cancel their book session, they only need to enter their phone number and their session. Ta-da! The booking is now cancelled. So, when we take a look at the available session again, there will be 1 empty slot as we have cancelled the booking session before. After that, let's take a look at the 5th option, which is calculate income option. This option is only accessible to the administrator, and what we need to do is to enter the ID of the administrator that we have set in the program. Then it will show the total income the clinic received from all the session weekly. After that, the last option, which is the exit option. When we enter the number 6, then the program will end. With that, I have explained the program made by Group 2. Thank you for your time, and I hope our group get full mark for this project. Bye. Thank you.